This delicious vegan peanut butter cake is comfort food in a bowl. It's also actually good for you. We will start by mashing up a ripe banana. Bananas are great for your digestion, and they will provide all the sweetness. There is no refined sugar in this recipe. Then add, of course, a tablespoon of peanut butter. This will give our recipe some heart-healthy plant fats. Then add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. What peanut butter cake doesn't have vanilla extract? And also add some sweetness without any additional sugar. Then mix that all together beautifully. Then add a quarter of a cup of oat flour. No oat flour, no oat problem. Take whatever oats you have, put it in the blender for a minute, and you will have oat flour. Then add a teaspoon of baking powder. This will help our vegan gluten-free peanut butter cake rise. Then this is optional, but I added a tablespoon of peanut butter protein powder, which is just defatted peanuts and ups the protein in the recipe. Then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. If, like me, you eat a lot of it, make sure to get the Ceylon. It's even better for you. And then this is also optional, but you can add a tablespoon of ground flax. This will add some omega-3s to reduce inflammation. It's great for your digestion. Mix that all together and then pop it into the microwave for about a minute, and then you're going to want to check on it. I added another 30 seconds. Let it cool for about 30 seconds and enjoy. So tell me, would you make this vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, refined, sugar-free peanut butter cake, which is comfort food in a bowl? Let me know in the comments below.